Ljungstedt Gymnasium in Linköping is one of the largest schools in Sweden. The school prides itself on its sporting activities.
This hall was built in 1966 and the area of the floor is 650 square meters. In this hall we have school and also a lot of sports clubs having their sports activities, and they're using the hall about 10 to 15 hours a day. The floor was worn out, and not having a sports hall for a longer time is not an option for our tenant.
The city decided to renovate the floor to make it look like new again, as well as safe for users and easy to clean. It therefore teamed up with the Dr. Schutz Group from Germany, the world's leading supplier of sports floor renovation systems. All sports halls worldwide are faced with the same challenges, whether gyms in schools, municipal halls, or professional arenas. Due to their intensive use, they start to show considerable signs of wear and tear. As a consequence of this heavy use, the floor becomes unsightly, and the danger of slipping hazards increases. Replacing sports floors is often not an option, as it is too expensive and requires the sports hall to be shut down for many weeks. The great advantage of the Dr. Schutz system is that the floor is not torn out, but renovated on site. This means that the sports hall does not need to be shut down for a long period of time.
When choosing materials, we are very quality-minded, and this method is good from an environmental point of view, since we are not producing so much waste. The cost of this method is about 25% of a brand new floor, and that's a good investment for Lejonfastigheter. We have already tried this method in a smaller hall, and we are very pleased with the result.